Hi guys, oh totally don't mind my kitchen. I'm in the kitchen right now. It's really messy, so I'm gonna try and keep my camera propped up like this. But anyway, you clicked the video, you know what you're in for. Today we are doing a little Valentine's Day decor video, of whatnot. Actually yesterday, I went to the dollar store and got some Valentine's Day decor and decorations, different stuff. I did want to do a few crafts, but I don't know. I just feel like, am I being too extra? I don't need to keep buying stuff for Valentine's Day. I do have a lot of Valentine's Day decorations downstairs. I just don't feel like putting them out, so I just went and got cutesy little things from the dollar store. So last night I was in my zone. After taking down the Christmas tree, I was just like, okay, it's too bare in here. I really wanted to go ahead and put up some Valentine's Day decorations. So we'll just go ahead and roll the clips from last night, and then we'll be right back with some cookies. We're gonna make some Valentine's Day cookies. So I got these cute doilies from the Dollar Tree. I guess that's what they are, doilies? Yeah. Also, check out my cute Starbucks cup. I had to get the new drop. But anyway, here is my super boring closet doors, okay? They are very lame. They are white all year around, and I thought that this would kind of spunk them up a little bit if we added some doilies in a cute pattern. It would be a cute backdrop, and I think it would just kind of spice up my room. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have tons of Valentine's Day decor in the basement. I just don't want to bring all that stuff up because we have totally outgrown where we live. We have so much, and all of my decorations are pretty much in the back of the basement. So yeah, just little things this year, little things that I got from the dollar store. I figured this would just be a cute way to spice up any wall in your house. And I'm just taking some tape, rolling it up on my fingers, and yeah, slapping these on the closet door. Yeah.
I heard you all the way in the basement. You yelled up here?
Yeah.
Was that loud?
Yeah.
It was not as...
It was loud. I was so scared.
Why'd you yell?
I'm scared.
You thought the door opened?
Yeah. And this really didn't take me that long. Anyways, after my little scare there, this really only took me maybe 20 minutes to do, and I think about 50 doilies come in a pack from the dollar store, so it was a good buy. I definitely didn't use all of them. These lights sort of laid perfectly on top of the mirror there, and whenever the main bedroom lights are off, it looks so cute. Next, I got these kind of cringy, very plain roses from the dollar store. They look so fake, of course, but I kind of like that about them, that they were just like a super corny hot pink and bright red. And I thought they looked cute in the tissue box. I just threw them there for a second whenever we were decorating the closet door. And just because it was like I was out of tissues, I just threw the roses in there and whatnot, and then they were sitting there, and I'm like, that looks kind of cute. So I added a little bit of the doilies around to kind of make it, I don't know, cute, I guess. I was just like bored and adding what I could to kind of spice up the room a bit. And something I typically like to do per seasonal change or per holiday is I'll just go back through like old canvas paintings that I have, or I'll paint new ones. I just didn't feel like sitting down to paint anything right now, and I just found some old pink paintings that would kind of spice up the room a little bit, help the pink vibes. As I mentioned in one of my recent videos on my channel, recently my boyfriend took my makeup office as his office. Since he works from home, it just would make kind of more sense that way. So we moved his computer stuff and all his work stuff into that room, and now my makeup stuff is in our bedroom. It stinks because we only have 2 bedrooms and we have totally outgrown it, but I'm making it work, and I'm still decorating and kind of reorganizing our bedroom to benefit me the most for my videos
and just like redecorating, moving stuff from my makeup room in here and making it all work. And all these Valentine's Day decorations really made it come together. And even though you're not going to see the whole room in this clip, in all of these clips, I guess I should say, it turned out really nice, and it's so cozy. So last night, after all that decorating, I went to bed. It was so cozy in the room with all those little lights on and everything, and I actually even added a few other things, it was like after I stopped recording, but you guys will probably see it in future Valentine's Day videos before Valentine's Day. I'm actually recording this voiceover probably like 2 weeks after I recorded this video, so I know in the beginning I mentioned about taking down my Christmas tree. That was because this was recorded like the first week of January. Anyways, I really wanted to make these Valentine's Day cookies. I'm so in the mood, and it's getting closer to Valentine's Day every minute. I love pink, and I just love Valentine's Day. It just works for me. So cookies always get me in the mood, and I just thought it would be fun because I could hand them out at work, and I could make them for my family and stuff. So I had this pink sugar cookie mix that I got at Walmart. I don't know how much it was, but it made them so bright. I'm obsessed with the color of this dough. And when it comes to making the icing, I just looked up the first thing that popped up on Pinterest. And when I was typing in frosting, it said frosting for sugar cookies. So I clicked it. First recipe I found was this one, super duper easy, and the icing actually turned out amazing. The first couple times that I mixed it, it was just way too thin, so you just add more powder sugar, as you go, and I got a really good consistency after that. Then I felt like the best and easiest way to dip the cookies in would to just be hold them, and with my long fingernails I could just get around the sides easy and dip in the tops. So I did a couple just plain white, then I started adding in some powdered color basically, and then I went in with just regular food coloring as well, did some swirls. I don't know, I kind of said to my boyfriend, it made me think of like hydro dipping, just like kept putting in colors and dipping them in, and I ended up with cool designs. So this was fun, a little bit messy, but the icing just turned out perfect. And as I added more colors, it got hot pink, and then I got a little bit of light pink in there. Eventually I ended up mixing a purple shade, and I had all my Valentine's Day cookies done, and they might not look that good on the screen, but I promise you they tasted phenomenal, and they looked really cute at the end. I just put them in individual baggies with little bows on them, and they turned out so cute. And then just wanted to show you the cute little sign I got from the dollar store as well. I really wanted to paint it, but I ended up just putting it on my Christmas door hanger, and it worked out perfect, and I pulled out Mr. M&M.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was so fun to decorate. I absolutely love how the house looks now. And I did spray like fake snow on my windows for Christmas time, and like little snowflakes and stuff. And I feel like, it's still cold season and it goes with the flow. It looks so cute on the windows. So until I put out like my spring decor and kind of get in more of a sunny mood, I'm leaving the snow on the windows, and it just looks so good. My cookies, they turned out phenomenal. Couple mistakes here and there, whatever, but it was a ton of fun to do. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, you just let me know. I plan to do some Valentine's Day outfit ideas, which I'm so excited for. I just ordered a bunch of new clothes, so they're coming in the mail as soon as I get them. I'm gonna put a video out. I'll probably do some Valentine's Day makeup too, because I just love doing makeup. Today, I just have this like blue cut crease kind of thing going on. I don't know. I made a TikTok. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day today, or enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.